A deadly snake was coming for her babies. She was small and alone, but she chose to fight. What happened next changed everything.
Look, feeling happy.
In a peaceful forest, where the tall trees whispered softly in the wind, and golden sunlight danced through the leaves, there lived a tiny sparrow named Chirpy.
Good morning, beautiful world. Good morning, sunshine.
Every morning, Chirpy would sing sweet songs that filled the forest with joy.
Sing with me, little breeze. Today is a happy day.
The animals loved her cheerful voice. But not far away, hidden beneath the roots of an old tree, lived someone very different. Slither. A snake named Slither. He watched everything silently.
One day, I will find my perfect meal.
High above, Chirpy had built a cozy little nest.
My little home, safe and warm.
Inside the nest were 3 small eggs.
Grow strong, my babies. I will always protect you.
Days passed peacefully, and Chirpy never left her nest for long. One afternoon, the sky suddenly turned dark.
Oh no, the wind is getting stronger.
A powerful storm began to shake the forest.
My eggs, I must protect them.
Rain poured down heavily. The branches swayed wildly.
Don't be afraid, my babies. I am here.
She spread her tiny wings over the nest, shielding her eggs from the storm. Below, Slither watched safely.
Now, when the time has come,
but Chirpy stayed there all night. Cold, tired, but brave. Morning came, and the storm passed.
We made it. You're safe.
Soon, something wonderful happened.
Oh, what is that sound?
Soft cracking. the eggs began to hatch.
My babies, you are finally here.
Her heart was filled with joy. But far below, Slither watched. One evening, Chirpy flew away to find food.
Stay here, my little ones. I will be back soon.
The babies chirped softly. Slither slowly began climbing the tree.
Closer and closer.
The baby birds trembled. Just then, she returned just in time.
Stop. Leave my babies alone.
You are too small to stop me.
Chirpy's heart raced with fear, but she did not run.
I may be small, but I am not afraid.
She flew straight at the snake.
Go away, go away.
Flapping wings, she pecked and flapped with all her strength.
You dare challenge me?
Help. Somebody help.
Chirpy cried loudly. Her voice echoed through the forest. Soon, other birds heard her. Crow, what is happening? Parrot, Chirpy needs help. Birds came flying from every direction. Birds together, we are here. They surrounded the snake.
Too many.
Wings flapping loudly. Overwhelmed, Slither retreated.
This is not over.
The danger was gone. Chirpy returned to her nest.
You are safe now, my babies.
The birds gathered around her. Crow, you were brave. Parrot, you never gave up.
I was afraid, but love made me strong.
From that day on, the birds stayed united, and they learned an important lesson. Even the smallest creature can be brave, and together we are stronger than any danger.